helping verb and so now I am going to give example to the second formula in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. One example I will write, remaining with all subjects it is same. Okay, for example, if I say we have been a student, okay, we have been a student. What is we? Subject. What is have been? Helping. A article, student, object. So we have been a student, positive. Negative you have to write like this. You have to put not here. You cannot say we have been not a student. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. You should say we have not been a student. Okay, this is negative. Have we been a student? Interrogative. Have we been a student? Interrogative. Have we not been a student is negative interrogative. Clear? Next, we had been. We had been a student. Again, we subject, had been is a helping verb, this is article, this is object. Negative, we had not been a student. Had we been a student? Had we not been a student? Clear? So this is how you make sentences for past perfect continuous without main verb. Okay, second formula by using second formula. Again, future tense, we will have been a student. Now how will you do this? We subject, will have been is a helping verb, this is article, this is object. We will not have been a student. Will we have been a student? Will we not have been a student? So this is how you have to make simple. Simple, just put not between the helping verb and interchange the helping verb with subject. That is how you have to make positive, negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative. I already told you, if you have helping verb, your work is very easy. So with any subjects, you can say, see, if I say, I have been a trainer. I have been a trainer or English language trainer, whatever. I subject, have been is a helping verb, this is article, this is object. What is negative? I have not been a trainer. What is interrogative? Have I been a trainer? Negative interrogative. Have I not been a trainer? Simple. Okay. Next. If I use had been, can I say I had been a trainer? Okay. For past perfect continuous, subject, helping verb, article, object. I had been a trainer. I had not been a trainer. Had I been a trainer and had I not been a trainer? Okay. Next, future tense. I will have been a trainer. Okay, what is will? I subject, will have been is a helping verb, this is article, this is object. I will have been a trainer, I will not have been a trainer. Will I have been a trainer? Will I not have been a trainer? So this is how you make sentences for future perfect continuous. Okay, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect. For all subjects, the same trick you can apply and make sentences without main verb. Okay, this is the trick. Okay, how to make positive, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. As I told you, in these 12 tenses with only one single sentence, we are going to make 86 sentences. How many? 86. So we have to understand this trick. Okay, now let's move on to the third formula.